Yung isa pang symptoms dito, doing for God instead of being with God. Ang ganda nitong point nito because when we start our Christian walk, ang gusto talaga natin is really to serve God. Tama naman, di ba? Gusto natin to serve Him, to really spread the gospel, to be disciples of Christ. And again, it's a something that we are to do as followers of Him. Pero sometimes we are missing out on the part that we are delighting in Him when we are doing these different activities na sige, gagawa ako ng activity, kailangan sa umaga gagawin ko to, share ako ng gospel, tapos sa hapon mag-meet ako ng people, tapos magba-Bible study ako. Pero dahil sa dami ng activities na to, what are we really missing out? The delight in the Lord, na lahat ng mga ginagawa natin is for Him. At ang isa pa dito, we are also delighting in Him that He is present with us when we are doing these things.